Samsung's One UI 8.5 update is now rolling out to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and one of the biggest questions users are asking is simple: did the battery life improve or get worse? Well, after early testing and real-world usage, the answer is a little mixed. The update doesn't completely change battery performance, but there are definitely some noticeable differences users should know about. The Galaxy S25 Ultra already had strong battery life before the update, and thankfully, One UI 8.5 still keeps the phone reliable for daily use. But compared to when the device was brand new, there are a few small changes that affect screen on time, idle drain, and overall efficiency. Let's start with screen on time, also known as SOT. Under moderate daily usage, Galaxy S25 Ultra now delivers around 7 hours and 45 minutes of screen on time. That's slightly lower than the 8-hour average many users experienced when the phone first launched. Now honestly, losing around 15 minutes may not sound like a huge deal, and for most users, it probably won't affect daily usage very much. But it does show that the new update changes battery behavior slightly. These tests were done using the QHD display setting along with standard performance mode. That setup gives users the best balance between sharp visuals and battery efficiency. However, people who really want longer battery life can still switch to FHD resolution or use adaptive battery-saving features to squeeze out more usage time. One thing that heavily affects battery life is how you actually use the phone throughout the day. For example, media streaming performs quite well on the S25 Ultra. Watching YouTube, Netflix, or Prime Video for several hours doesn't drain the battery too aggressively, especially if the phone switches to 60 Hz refresh rate during playback. In many tests, users were able to stream content for nearly 3 hours while maintaining stable battery performance. Gaming, however, is a completely different story. Games like PUBG or Battlegrounds Mobile India remain extremely demanding on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Just 1 hour of gaming can noticeably reduce battery percentage, especially with higher graphics settings enabled. This isn't really surprising because mobile gaming pushes the processor, GPU, cooling system, and display refresh rate all at the same time. If you're someone who games heavily every day, battery life on One UI 8.5 may feel shorter compared to casual users. Regular daily tasks like browsing social media, taking photos, texting, making calls, and using apps in the background seem fairly well optimized. There are no major battery drain issues during normal use, which is definitely good news. But one area where users may notice a difference is idle battery drain. According to early reports, the Galaxy S25 Ultra now loses around 7 to 8% battery overnight during 7 to 8 hours of inactivity. Before the update, the phone was reportedly losing closer to 5% overnight. Again, this is not a massive problem, but it is noticeable for users who rely on standby time while traveling or leaving the phone unused for long periods. Thankfully, there are ways to improve this. Turning off unnecessary background apps, limiting syncing, and enabling battery-saving features overnight can help reduce idle drain. Battery life overall still depends heavily on the type of user you are. For moderate users, the Galaxy S25 Ultra can still comfortably last around 24 hours with mixed activities like streaming, browsing, messaging, and occasional gaming. Light users may even push the phone to a day and a half on a single charge if screen usage stays low. Heavy users, especially gamers or people recording lots of videos, will probably need to recharge by late evening. In many cases, heavy usage brings battery life down to around 9 or 10 p.m. before charging becomes necessary. One important thing users should remember is that major software updates often require a few days for optimization. After installing One UI 8.5, the phone may initially show unusual battery behavior while apps and background processes adjust to the new system. Over time, battery performance usually stabilizes as the software learns user habits and improves resource management. The adaptive refresh rate system also continues to play a huge role. Running the display at 120 Hz gives smoother scrolling and animations, but it naturally consumes more power. Switching to 60 Hz during less demanding tasks can noticeably improve battery life. Overall, One UI 8.5 doesn't completely transform the Galaxy S25 Ultra battery experience, but it does introduce some small changes users will notice. The phone remains reliable, powerful, and capable of lasting through most daily routines, but battery efficiency is clearly being balanced carefully against performance and new software features. For most Galaxy S25 Ultra owners, the update still delivers a strong experience, but whether the battery feels better or worse will mostly depend on how heavily you use the phone every day.